Eugenia, allora adesso facciamo la fregola. In sardo a Montresta si dice suzuku. E questa è una minestra che si fa con i ceci.
Eugenia uses about half a kilo of semolina. She dissolves 2 tablespoons of salt into 250 ml of water. She splashes a bit into a flat-bottomed earthenware bowl, followed by some semolina. She rotates this mixture with her fingertips.
Si sta ecco, couscous.
Eugenia alternates the flour and water, making sure there is never too much of either. She wants the semolina grains to stick together into roughly shaped balls.
Cioè da quando qua non ci semola fina fina.
This is a lengthy process. As the fregola forms, she spreads it out to dry. And when she's finished, she divides the larger balls from the small ones.
Vede che si sta ritirando la semola?
Eugenia says fregola was invented to give texture to pulses and vegetables. Now she's off to find some wild fennel from her garden. She wants younger, ferny stems. First she slices the fennel and an onion.
Ma non spento la giusta?
No, uguale, la mosca.
Ah, così.
Ok.
Basta così.
Primo, secondo.
Brother Egidio explains the chickpeas have to be soaked first.
Acqua, bollire. Kochen.
Eugenia chops up some of her homemade sun-dried tomatoes. Then everything is simmered slowly for 2 hours. Once the chickpeas are soft, Eugenia adds the larger balls of fregola and cooks them for a couple of minutes.
Prezzemolo un pochino. La fregola è pronta. La fregola è pronta a mangiare.
Suzuku is delicious. Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.